Okay, boys and girls. So today, while we read our story, we're going to be using one of our reading skills. And one of our reading skills is to find key details. And key details tell important information about the selection. Selection means whatever we're reading. Okay? So key details tell us important information about the story or the book that we're reading. You can use photos to learn key details. So you can use the pictures to help you find some of the key details in the story. So this is the story that we read yesterday. Let's see if we can find some key details about it. Okay, so find key details that tell about one way that friends play together. You can use the words or you can use pictures. For example, in our story Toss, Kick, Hop, one of the sentences said, kids toss, toss, toss. And then we can look at the picture right here. Kids toss, toss, toss. And look at the picture and see what they're doing. What are some key details? What are they doing? What is the important information that we're reading about here? Okay. So, when I read the sentence, kids toss, 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 it tells me what the kids are doing. So it tells me something that friends do together. They toss, toss, toss. So one of my key details is kids toss balls. That's something that the story is telling me. So that is one key detail. So let's look for other key details in the story Toss, Kick, Hop. One of the pages says, kids make dolls. And if we look at the picture right here, we see that they're making dolls. So what's another detail that we could write? What's another detail that we could write here? Well, we could say something like, kids make dolls with their friends. Period. Okay, so that's another detail. That's something else that I found out from reading the story. Another part of the story says kids hop in sacks. Hop, hop, flop. So what's another detail that we could read? We have kids toss balls, kids make dolls with their friends. This one could show us that kids hop in sacks, right? They hop in potato sacks. So another key detail that I can put right here, something else that I learned from the story that's important, is that kids hop in potato sacks. And these details are things that I can find in the book. I didn't make them up, right? I didn't make them up from the top of my head, and I didn't pick them because I've done it myself in real life. This is information that the story told me that I could find in the book. Okay, so if I went back to the book, I could look for that information in there and I could point to it. So those are my key details. In the next video, you're going to be reading another story and you're going to be finding some key details in that story. Okay?